All right, once again, good evening, Dad. I'm coming from you to you from Kakata. This is the work. You can see the gate. I told you earlier. This is the gate that you suggested to us to have done a gate like this. We did it exactly as you can see. So this is it. We did our possible best to have reached as far. Yeah. So this is it. See the beauty of the building. I'm showing now. So I'm gonna take you in the building here. So this is it, passing through the small gate. Yeah. So this is the compound. Yeah. So you see how there is. Okay. So this is the security booth. You can see this is the security booth. I've been changed to yellow. This is it. Everywhere. See, this is it. So this is yellow. See this. So also the fence. You see. Okay, so this is the garage. See the garage. Okay, so this is the garage. I'm taking you bit by bit, and then so around the house first. See the compound. This is it. This is it. Except for the security for the Palava house that looks at this, you can see. So this is it. You can see all over. It's white and black, black and white. Down to the gate here. Okay, so we also were able to see this. We're also able to complete the side. You can see. Okay, so let me now take you in the building. Okay. And it's ongoing now in this place here. So this is this place. We've been carrying a cleaning. Okay, so cleaning exercise is also ongoing here today. Yesterday and today, we started this thing since yesterday. But I'm for you my video. I've got in a video. So as I said, we have also done all this place here. You see, everywhere have been clear. Okay, so this is it. The other people are in a video. Yeah, indeed. So every rule get exception. So this is it. Let me start teaching you. So this is it. So just thought I wanted to share this with you. So thank you. All right. Bye.